Hi everybody, Monty the Chef here. I burned myself. Great. Welcome back to another video. Today, we're making a tomato and pesto sauce grilled cheese sandwich. Yum. Welcome back, friends. This time, this shout out goes out to Joe. Hi, Joe. Alright, so you know how it's just around Valentine's Day, right? And what better way to celebrate Valentine's Day than to make something that melts? Because, you know, love makes you melt. Anyway, today we're making grilled cheese sandwich. And not just any grilled cheese sandwich, but a tomato and pesto sauce grilled cheese sandwich. So, let's get to it. First ingredients you're gonna need is some bread, some butter, cheese. I'm using some mozzarella and provolone, some tomatoes, pesto sauce, or you can use some spinach and artichoke dip, but I will be using my mom's homemade pesto sauce. And of course, some salt and some pepper. So, let's build the sandwiches first. So we're gonna grab 2 slices of bread, apply a generous amount of butter on one side of each slice like you normally would. But instead of using the buttered side up, you need to flip both sides to the butter face so the butter faces down. You can use a cutting board covered with wax paper or aluminum foil if you'd like. Then add a slice of cheese on only one slice of bread. Then add a couple of slices of tomato. Add salt and pepper to taste. Then smother it with pesto sauce. And if you're using some other sauce, do that. Then add another slice of cheese, preferably a different type. Then add the second slice of bread, this time with the buttered side up. It's now time to cook this. So get your skillet and get it hot over medium heat. Then add the sandwich one at a time. But, I mean, if your skillet's big enough, you most likely will be able to fit both of them, like mine. And just so you know, you have to have the buttered side down and buttered side up. Here comes the crucial part. You want to squish down on the sandwich a bit, but not a lot, or else all the gooey goodness will come out. So experiment with what works best for you. Cook for about 3 to 4 minutes or until golden brown. Then you gotta flip the entire sandwich. So now that it's done cooking, it's time to flip them. So I have my trusty dusty spatula over here, and we're just gonna yeet it and flip it. Alright, and then just push it down like that. Nice. Now time for this piece. Alright, 3, 2, 1, yeet, yeet, yeet. I did it. I burned myself. Great. Yeah, now to wait another 4 minutes. Now that it's done cooking, it's time to take them off. Oh, that's nice. Got this piece right here. That like that. We'll grab the other one. From Food from Heaven, yes. Alright, that's done. All you need to do is just cut it in half and eat up. And this is how you make a super yummy grilled cheese sandwich. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you have not subscribed, please subscribe and hit that bell icon so you're notified whenever I upload a new video. And let me know if you try this in the comments below, and let me know how it turned out. I'll see you guys later. Bye! Oh wait, and don't forget to share with your friends. Is it recording? So, now that it's done, I have my 2 wonderful siblings. Siblings, come. I have Mia and Marcus, different movie shorts, and, I'm gonna try it, so.
Wow, that's delicious. The crunch.
That's really good, dude.
Wow. Proud of you. High five.
More.
Nice.
Healthy.
Thumbs up.
11 out of 10 for sure.
I definitely recommend.
If you guys enjoyed this video, you can go check out their channel called Movie Shorts. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.
Bye.